I haven't posted a video in a little while, so I just thought I'd give you a quick look at this. Basically it's a fermentation chamber. Basically it's made out of 30 millimeter thick foam board that you can buy from Bunnings, and it's held together by these 75 mil screws, so it can all be dismantled and stored away flat when the weather warms up. As you can see, it fits the 30 litre Firmzilla nice and all rounder, all nice and snug in there. There's enough room around it to leave an air gap. Pretty much set the fermenters up just like this one with the heat belt around the bottom and the probe in the side. I just put a bit of tape down there to keep the wires tidy. This one's still a bit warm, so I'm not going to wrap it up yet, but it's got another second one I built over there ready to go. What this does, it really helps to keep that temperature in. As you can imagine, we're in the right in the thick of winter here in Australia, and you know, especially in this old house, the temperature, well, it's hot in summer and it's freezing in winter, so maintaining any sort of regular temperature is awfully difficult. That just gets covered over like that. I've got to make these, got to glue these two pieces together and trace and cut it out so it fits nice and snugly on the top. That'll give me enough material to make a top for that one as well. But yeah, this basically insulates the brew so that the heat belt isn't having to activate via the inkbird half as often as it otherwise would have. That's the information on the XPS handy panel. Yeah, 30 millimeters thick, and it comes in a sheet of 600 by 1200. You get, basically to make one, you buy 2 sheets, and you can make 2 out of 3 sheets. If you're running two fermenters, 3 sheets will give you two chambers. But that's just a fairly inexpensive way to keep the brew at a constant temperature, not using as much power to maintain it through winter. So yeah, just a quick video, just giving you a bit of a look at that. Thanks for watching. Oh, and please subscribe. Cheers.